But if you love your wife enough and you really want Jannah, your duty is to look after widows and orphans that are random, not even related to you. Imagine what reward you're going to get to look after a widow who's actually related to the love of your life. Do you get what I'm saying? We say, it's not my duty, that's my wife's parents. We know about your duty and not your duty. What I'm telling you, is it not that Allah has said that the one who looks after widows and orphans, random widows and orphans off the street, they are equivalent to someone standing in salah all night, every night, and fasting all day, every day. That's what the hadith says. What about if this is not a random person, but it is actually someone related to you, the granny of your children? Can't you fear Allah? Subhanallah. No, but it's the duty of the sons. What can I do? If the sons are not looking after, the sin is theirs. But it's an opportunity for you to earn a reward that's multiplied 1,000,000 times. I came to you and told you, give me 100,000 rands and I promise you, there will be such a return that you'll get 1,000,000 rands within 2 years or a year. I think all of us will go and scrounge the 100,000 from wherever and say, I'll give you back in a year. This deal that I'm telling you today is worth far more than that. To look after your mothers, look after the elderly women of community and society, look after those who are destitute, those who don't have, look after widows, look after orphans. That's what Islam is all about. People whinge and whine, no, I'm a good Muslim, I make my 5 salah, but there is someone in your circle who might be cursing you, number one. Number two, if they're not cursing you, Allah has shown you such a massive investment that is glaring you in the face, that will bring back returns way beyond your imagination, but you're blind to it. You know why? Shaitan has to come in the middle and say, it's going to be difficult, you're going to come out of your comfort zone, you're bringing something in that's going to be problematic. I can deal with it however. There's something called a granny flat, there's something called maybe nearby apartment, there's something called a cleaner or a helper. Every time you cook, you can get it sent over. You don't have to have direct interaction with people who might be unreasonable. Like I say, some mothers are unreasonable, but you have to look after that mother and respect her. She swore you, you're not allowed to swear back. She disrespected you, you're not allowed to disrespect back. And you need to train each other as spouses that our mothers on both sides, no matter what they say, we should not disrespect them. That's it. Husband, my wife's mother, I will look after her. Wife, my husband's mother, I will look after her. That's the attitude. Even if she's difficult, it makes it more challenging. Subhanallah. May Allah Almighty bless us. You see why I say this, and I want to end on this note. We are growing older. What goes around comes around. We are growing older, my brothers, my sisters. And I tell you something, as we grow older, Allah Almighty will definitely test us. When you've made life easy for someone, Allah will make life easy for you. So what you need to do is make sure you do the right thing, so that as you grow older, the whole picture becomes so beautiful that you can actually have an amazing, amazing life. At the time when you've retired, people love you, your grandchildren, your children, everyone around you. Why? Because when it was my days, I went out of my way to look after those who were slightly older. What's the point? All the older people, they look sad, they look depressed, they lose purpose to live. They don't even want to live anymore. Is that how you want to be when you grow older? My beloved elder fathers who are here and mothers who may hear this, we love you, we honor you, we will respect you, we salute you. You have every reason to live, and we will make sure we stand up for your rights. And we love you. Even if you live up to 150, we are still happy and we will serve you.